video is gonna be really short. I just want to see what happens if we shoot the side window, the driver's side window. First, I want to see if it'll break the glass. On top of it breaking, I want to see how deep will it go to hit this watermelon here on this other side. So we decided to do this video indoors because I don't want glass everywhere. I'm still picking up glass from the other property and it's really annoying. So please bear with us. Some of these videos I decided to do indoor. It's easier to sweep the glass off of this ground, off of this floor, and wash it, clean it, whatever. And this will be a perfect test for this one. Just are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do that. I'm using the Tenpoint Crossbow. This is the Nitro XRT. Puts out about 450 to 470 feet per second, depending what kind of arrows you use. So we'll make this really quick. This goes in the front, like that. The string comes back nice and quietly. And that goes in the back. Safety comes on automatically. Jester, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. I'm using the practice tips for this one. And we'll put that in here. Like so. Make sure it's all the way back there. Jester, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hopefully it doesn't come back with me in my face, but I got glasses on. Okay, safety's off. Fire in the hole. Oh no, it went and hit the wood. See, this is why I didn't want glass everywhere. Even with having a tarp on the other side, it'll be easier to just sweep this off. So there's the entry on this one. Oh, there's some glass stuck right in there. And there's the exit. So went through the glass, hit the, came out of it. Look at that opening. You got some watermelon juice over here and went inside this wood. Let me see. Okay, if you're not mistaken, this is a 2x8. But anyway, right there, it tried to come out. So it went in about 2 inches deep into this wood. Do you want me to just move it out of the way for you here?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I can see. Oh, okay, perfect.
The problem is, how do I get it out?
Good question. Cabron, don't break this thing.
This is my grandpa's axe. He gave it to me. It's from the 1800s. It's pretty cool. I will not shoot that.
No, cabrón, this thing don't come out. Mucho macho, my arm. No.
You're gonna have to cut the.
Mucho macho.
Oh wait, put another nail on the other side and hit it.
Yeah, it's coming.
No, I got it. Okay, you guys are probably wondering what happens if we shoot the door panel, right? Okay, I'm wondering the same thing.
With the same one?
I'm gonna use the same arrow, but change out the tip. This one, the tip got all messed up. It's not as sharp. I'll throw this away. Okay, where should I hit it? Upper, lower? This thing is really powerful, guys. I'm gonna aim somewhere on the upper area here. Because there is a metal, there's a bar that goes right in the middle for safety. As usual, I forgot what it's called. Jasper, you ready?
I'm ready.
This goes and sits right in there, like so, and we are set. Jasper, I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go right over here. Ready?
I'm ready.
Fire in the hole. Woohoo! Oh man! Look at that, it went in. Okay, so it looks like some of it broke off. It's over here. Right there. And the rest of it went inside this piece of wood. Again, I'm gonna have a hard time taking this out.
Now you have more hard time.
Well, at least I knew this was gonna happen. I got carbon fiber in my skin. I'm gonna have to cut myself open later. Great. That carbon fiber went right in my skin. So that's why you want to be super safe with these stuff. Okay, let's take this out. There's the tip. And that's that. Oh my God, it's hot. Okay, that's it. It penetrated the door, the glass. Perfect results. That's a kill shot in my opinion. We will come back and shoot it with the compound bow, see what happens. Of course, like I said, the glass got destroyed, and I just wanted to keep this video kind of short. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Let's go, Jasper.